It's day 100, and it gives me immense pleasure, immense joy, and all the mixed emotions are present over here because uh, this has been one of the most longest commitment I have done publicly, and somewhat I am able to fulfill it, yeah, by accomplishing day 100. Um, the project is for day 365. It just started overnight. Actually, wanted to do YouTube since 2017. The day I stepped outside my home, and when I realized that this was something which I actually wanted to do, but due to some obvious reasons, it wasn't possible, and plus there was too much of laziness, procrastination, and what will happen, who will watch, who will not watch. Uh, COVID was one such time where I discovered, or when I actually started writing. I know I'm not that good of a writer, but I don't tag myself into any of these categories. But being, I wanted to develop something holding back no grudges, first and foremost. And the second thing was, I really don't want to be judged. That was one such fear where I don't publicly post most of my life's event, but to be consistent, to have something, to do something out of your work, to push yourself to one of the greatest to one such to the limits where you can actually perform, you can actually do something which is innovative, which is creative, which is of self commitment. And let that be, for that matter, anything. There people are having so much of things in their bucket list. Even I do have two, but considering all these parameters, this was something that I actually wanted to start, and I was having no clue like what to do. There were many genre where I thought I should be doing this, no, that. But I remember 31st December, I eventually was sitting and planning what to do this year. And since 2020 had a major setbacks, like we weren't able to say goodbyes to many of our friends, and so we have to leave it, on a very small notice, or something which was not there. This gratitude post is basically, for coming back to the topic, it is something that I want to express, that I have started literally from scratch, like zero subscribers, and today it is just 42. But 42 still is a number, because the day I started was the day I was not communicating to any of my friends. Most of them do know this thing, and I was not taking feedbacks unless and until they were not, coming. So, and it was nothing like that. You should subscribe if you're doing it. It's good thing, and you should watch. But and it is not an overnight thing. If I see the analysis, my first video got some 17 views, I remember, in 24 hours, and gradually it keep on increasing. And I was quite motivated. Usually I was very new to all of these things, but slowly and steadily it dropped. Some days there are zero views, and zero, nothing is there. It's just like you have just put out the content, and there comes a question like, why have I started this channel, and what is the purpose? It is not just to gain publicity, fame, and all such kind of things, but the pure intention is to just utilize the energy, create something which is good, knowledgeable for many of us, and redirecting the energy into, aligning it into one such thing. So this is something that I'm really happy about. The total view counts are close to 800, or I guess it has crossed 800. So yeah, but 3 months back, like right from 1st January, each and every day is about thinking about a new topic, scripting, filming, or editing, and then posting it, and just not worrying about what the outcome will be. It takes time, right? It will take time gradually. I just want to see it how it grows. So this is pretty much, I guess I've taken a lot of time, but I enjoy it, and I hope that this is really, really fun going ahead doing certain things. So, yeah, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for tuning once again. If you really feel connected, you could just watch that. If not, that's fine. I leave it up to you. So, hope to meet you soon again. Bye bye. Take care.